Hello, respected judges and dear viewers. I, Lokesh Ramdev Bora, representing my team Poseidon. Our team members are Prithviraj Patil, Rohan Gawade, and Srividya Subramanian. We have made a solution for fake news detection for Innovate for Assam online hackathon. It is evident that fake news is traveling faster than coronavirus in India. Social media all over the world is rife with fake news, fake posts, conspiracy theories, and doctored images. Hence, we believe that solving this issue and identifying the truth from a sea of hoaxes is of utmost importance. So, let's begin with our solution. We have basically implemented a fake news detector, which is a style-based detection model. It is a deep learning model which is trained on dataset of fake and real news, and it does style-based detection. So let's see it's working. I'll just copy paste this news into this model and let's see what it gives. That news was related to Assam flood in 2020. We have also implemented the web scraping model, so it will also do find some related news for this article, and it will just show it over here. So let's see that. The style-based detection is not enough, so we are also going to show many other things. So the model gave this seems to be real, means the article was copy pasted from a real news and it gave that real. So these are all the related news which we found on the net, which was done by our web scraping model. And we can just click on the links here to find the related news on our website. I'll show one of the link. So yeah, you can see this Assam disaster management, Assam floods, what all things were found over there. Yeah. So this was the model for fake news detection and the web scraping model. So as the style-based detection is not enough for finding the solution, so we are also having a different model for finding a stance-based detection of the fake news. So this is the model. So what it will do, it will just web scrape all the news from the web, and it will find all the posts and articles from the web using the web scraping model. And we have also implemented a BERT model which is trained on Google Word embeddings, and it is so efficient that it can really, literally find the difference in the meaning. So it can find the difference like in gender, in negativity, positivity, in the ranking like superior or inferior, or a king, queen, or a king or a worker, and many such difference. So let's test this model and how it finds the difference. It will take the article from the user, it will take the article from some genuine websites, and it will compare both the articles, their meanings, and it will say that how much percent was matched. So I will show that. So instead of finding the same article, we have one article which is fake. Means we made this fake. It is the same article, and we have just changed the district numbers, district names, and some. We also inserted a not over here, so making something negative, and also we made some changes like I inserted my friend's name over here to show some difference. So I will just copy paste this article into this, and let's see what this model gives. This is completely stance based. It will literally find the meaning difference between those, and it will show. It will also show that related links, which is for finding, means which is for reference for the user. So let's see this. Yeah, it gave a match found of 55.71% match found. Because we literally changed the meaning of the article, we changed the district numbers and all. So it found the different, really the difference between both the articles, and it found that only this much percent matches. So this model is actually very good for finding the fake news which are written in different styles, and any style it can just compare their meanings like literally. And we have also implemented a solution for directly forwarding the news on WhatsApp, because it is very inefficient for or it is very inconvenient for the user to just copy the news from WhatsApp and paste it over here. So the user can directly forward their news to a particular number. So I will also show that working. Like one my friend just send me a news. See this, my friend send me this news. So I will start my model, and it will directly do this. more, it will directly just extract this news. It will go to web, it will find the different news from the article, and it is so fast. It found the news, it compared using the BERT model which was trained on Google Word embeddings. It found some news, it will automatically paste the related links also, and it will send to the user. So this is so efficient that it completely does this automatically. So the user gets a very rich in means rich experience. So they can directly just copy paste their news over here. So this is implemented for WhatsApp. The same thing we have also implemented for text also, but we are not able to show this in a video. So we are also implement the user can just forward their a message to a particular number, means it through the SMS, and they can get the same reply like the WhatsApp one. And many times on social media like WhatsApp, a news is forwarded with an image, where the image is depicting some, where the text is, and with a text. So the text is representing, means it is saying something about the image, and many times this can be fake. So we have also done this thing like this we will reverse search the image. We will find all the related links and related articles for that image, and we will bring that. And from the MERT model, we will compare the text which the user gave and the text which we found on the net from some genuine websites, and it will compare both the articles, and it will say that whether the image matches with that article or not. I will show that. Yeah. So this one image which I found, which was related to Gujarat flood, and I will just paste the article of this Assam flood. So let's see whether it finds any difference between the image, because the image is of Gujarat flood, and we are giving the article which was of Assam flood. So let's see whether it finds any difference between the image and the article. It will completely do the same part, web scraping part, and the comparison of the difference. So it gave that this seems to be fake, and it found all the links related to the Assam flood, because we it will found all the related links related to the text also, and related to the image also, and it will show the related links to the related to the text. So if anyone sends a image and depict something different from that image, we can directly find, means the image is depicting something fake. So the mostly this was the issue on social media like WhatsApp. And we have completely implemented, means we used AI, we used deep learning, and we used some edge technologies. But sometimes human interruption is really required, and some interruptions from police, and their knowledge is really required. So we have also made a different police dashboard, where the police can also see different news which are trending. I will show that part. I'll first show the different, means how it will show on the user side. So this is basically for the news. This news is police verified news, means the police has verified whether the news is fake or real, and it is showing on the user side. So the user can directly search their news in this part, and they will get whether it is real or fake, and that will be 100% sure, because the police has verified that news, and it has given this all the news which is real and which is fake, and everything is related over here. The article which it was here, means the article which I pasted, mean changing some words, this also was included over here. And we are also, not only we are just finding the result in all these models, we are also saving, means whenever the user is pasting their articles in these models, we are also saving that articles in our database. And whether if the user is some many users are pasting the same article, we are increasing the count of the articles also. So if the count increases, we are having a different solution for that also. I will show that. So we are also saving in the database for all these part, and I will show the police sign in also. We have to sign in for the police, and after signing, we'll be redirected to this page. And you can see that all the articles which were searched by the user, and they are over here, and these articles are shown to the police, and we can the police the status 0. I will show that what it means. if the police can edit the article directly clicking on the edit button. So the ID and the article is shown and the status is shown as 0, means the state 0 represents that it is not verified by the police, and 1 represents that the it is verified by the police and it is real. 2 represents it is verified by the police and it is fake article. So the user police can directly update that article from here. So if the police thinks that this article is real, it can directly click on update and it will be updated in the database, and it will also be updated for that news part. So the user can directly it get added to that news where police verified news where the user can see that article. And also it we can also see, means all the news are presented over here. If the police is having something different news which is trending, and if they want to add it to the police verified news, they can directly add the articles, they can add the ID, they can add the article, and they can add the status whether it is real or fake. Directly they can add it from here. And also this thing we have implemented is this, if the article is searched by the users many times, and if the article is searched for, kept here the criteria for 3 because we were not adding many things to the database. If the article is searched by more people, it will be shown over here. If the article was fake or real, that also it will be shown over here. And if the police wants to track the source on the Twitter, because most of the times what IT cells do is they take this article, means they create such environment that they spread fake news on Twitter also. So if the police wants to find the source of the article on Twitter, they can directly find the source of the article. It means this article was fake, this article was real. So if I just click on this, see the source on Twitter, okay, so it will redirect me to the Twitter page, and it will show the source. uh, it will be get updated because I think so the net problem is there. Yeah, so it was updated. See, the article was means don't be a COVID idiot, means you have to wear a mask. And this article was published in on the Twitter. So any article which is on Twitter and which is trending, so we can find the source of the article. This can be further improved if we are having a Twitter premium API, and we can implement this also for Facebook and other social media to find the source of the article. So basically the police can use to find the IT cells which are generating the fake news. They can be bots, they can be other people. They are generating the fake news. So this solution we have also implemented, and we can also implement this for Facebook and Twitter. If we are getting Twitter premium, we can also find the source of we can find, go to very deep, and we can find the source. We can arrest the culprits. We also created this dashboard for the users, and also police can use this. So it has a COVID-19 tracker which takes your IP, and it will show you the COVID status of the in which country you are. So I'm in India. It will show the status COVID status of India, and this is basically implemented with the help of an API. We are extracting the data from the API. It also has many other graphs like the misinformation graph and many other graphs, and also some information. And we are also thankful for the committee to keep such great judges. And like we saw that they have kept they are having mentors like IAS IPS officers. Thank you for that part. Means this was really motivating for us to present our solution in front of them. Thank you.